Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TrvLrn with Jay. This is me Janeta. I'm back with another episode in a stock market series, and in this video we are going to discuss the two major most important things about stock market, that is understanding Nifty and SENSEX. So keeping it simple and short, in this video we will only cover SENSEX and the term index. So if you're new to this channel and you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to TrvLrn with Jay. I post videos relating to finance, learning and traveling every week, and we are currently having a stock market series that you're watching right now. Before jumping to SENSEX and Nifty, let us first understand what do we understand by the word index. Let us take an example of two classes, A and B. And suppose we have 1,000 students in each of the classes. So to measure which class is performing the best, we will take an average of the top 50 students who are performing. So that is what an index is. For stock market, we have an indicator or something to measure how the stock market is performing. That is what an index refers to. A stock market index helps the investor to compare current level prices with that of the past prices to understand the market performance. Indexes comprises of all the stocks collected from various sectors such as IT, pharma, banking, automobile, etc. Index is used in every country. You might have heard some of the famous indices such as Dow Jones from US, then DAX from Germany, CAC from France. Then we have two major from India, that is Nifty and SENSEX. What is BSE? BSE is the short form of Bombay Stock Exchange. Bombay Stock Exchange is the oldest stock exchange in India as well as in Asia. I think many of you might be familiar with the word SENSEX. You might have heard in news that SENSEX rises by 1,000 points, SENSEX falls by 500 points. Every day you get those updates. So this is what we are going to understand in the next one. What is SENSEX? SENSEX is the short form of sensitive index. SENSEX is the benchmark of Bombay Stock Exchange, which is the oldest stock market index in the country. There are more than 5,000 stocks listed on BSE, out of which it takes 30 most largest and most frequently traded companies for the calculation of the index. SENSEX has seen a growth curve since India has opened its economy. If SENSEX goes down, that means most of the major stocks listed in BSE is going down. If SENSEX goes up, it means most of the major stocks in BSE went up. So guys, that was all for today. We have discussed what is index and what is SENSEX. In the next video, we will be covering what is Nifty. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel TrvLrn with Jay. I will see you soon with another video. Till then, take care.